All right, so mom and dad, this is gonna be the first of these that you see. I can't promise stellar editing, but I can promise stellar scenery. That's what I can give you. So I'm here outside Bonzac. I am with Melo. You got right behind us right now. You got some water buffaloes walking through, doing their thing. Let's see if we get this back down here. Very nice. So, we're out here today to see the rice harvest, which should be pretty sweet. We got ourselves situated at a place called Lawn Homestay here. So my manager, or our manager, actually at the English center that we work at, what's up, Melo? Right? Our manager is actually cousins with the woman who works here, so we got connected through that. It's really convenient to be living in a place where the people who are around you are in tourism. It makes it a lot easier to find out about certain things. So we're here today with the goal of looking at the rice harvest because it's at that time of the season, right before the weather starts to get cold and kills the crops. So right now is when the rice is nice and yellow, and they're going to go out and they're going to collect it so that then they can use it to eat and all that sort of stuff. So we're hoping that we can go see it at sunset. It's a bit cloudy today, so I don't know how it's gonna be. If I'm blinking weird, it's because I got a bug in my eye. But yeah, so we're out here today. Should be cool, should be pretty. I wish we could be up here for a little bit longer, but so is the nature of our 2-day or our 1-day off days. So we're just up here for a little bit. But
so that's the river.
all right, so here we can see the food.
This
And
bamboo,
then-
bamboo.
Bamboo?
Bamboo, I make sometimes we are eat noodle, soup noodle and noodle mixed with bamboo. You try, I make for myself.
Okay, thank you.
Because someone don't like it, someone like.
It's bitter sometimes. So here we have glass noodles. And, let's get this to focus. Let's get you focused. There we go. All right, so here we've got glass noodles, which is made from local plants. We've got some basil, if I know my leaves correctly. Some carrots, tomatoes, some lime. We've got some egg in there. Seems like there's some fresh black ground pepper. It's tossed in the mix. I think there's some mushrooms right here. Yeah, it's really one of the best meals I've had in a while, actually. You only get so much variety where we're living, so it's nice to mix it up. Melo, he's going to town on it. Very, very nice. I've been filming a little bit much, so that's why I haven't finished my food. But yeah, and then we got the chili sauce, and as she said, the bamboo. Easy, you can live in a place with all foreigners. But here in Kaobang, I have met 2 other foreigners who live in the city. So that's 4 foreigners in a city of, 80,000 people? It's not as easy as living in Hanoi, so. But I came here for this. I like nature, so I moved to Kaobang so that I could do this on a Monday.
Yeah, I'm so happy you decide live in Kaobang, but no more foreigner decide live in Kaobang. Teach English for people in Kaobang because people say, oh yes, far from city. They live in a big city because the city is a nice coffee shop and a nice club and everything good. But I happy you working it my family. Yeah.
Me too. And now with Gilu's, the new coffee shop.
Yeah.
Now there's a nice coffee shop in
Oh
Kaobang.
yeah. My family a coffee shop.
They have a coffee shop, and I go there almost every day to make my lesson plans for teaching. So it's really, it's a nice coffee shop.
Yeah. They teach English in Kaobang. I surprised really. The foreigner can stay longer in the Kaobang. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I'm so happy. local friends looking in our homestay.
Yes.
Welcome in Khao Bang.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And yeah, I'm glad that I said to Lau, I said, I know the rice harvest is around now.
Yeah.
And so I said, I want to go see it. And he said, go talk to Lan.
Yeah.
So here we are. Oh.
Yeah.
Local tea.
Yeah, local tea. Local tea from start from me.
From the garden?
No, different garden here.
Different garden.
Yeah, different garden here.
Wait.
So, we've kind of made our own way out here. Ronald's back there, maybe licking his battle wounds. But yeah, it's very beautiful up here now. We've got a river that's winding its way through. And this is just one of those places that's really nice because you can't find this unless you know someone. I mean, we just basically jumped through some, I guess backyards in a sense, some hopping over rivers. And now we get the distinct pleasure of being here. That's nice. It's very, very nice. And this is a place, I don't know too much about who lives here, but it's certainly ethnic minorities. It's not the classic majority Vietnamese that you might meet in the rest of Vietnam. So they probably speak Vietnamese here, but also likely a local dialect. So they may or may not be able to communicate with everyone else. That's just me speculating.
And that's the man, Eric Temple, up there. But you need to be very careful.
So, one of my favorite things about our tour guides that we have is we keep going to these beautiful places, and then each time they keep on saying, oh, over there, more beautiful, more beautiful. And I'm like, really? It's gonna be more beautiful. And then they're right, because every time it keeps on getting more and more beautiful. Down below us, we've got some nice waterfalls. Right there, let's see. Let's get them in view. And they continue to deliver. They continue to deliver with just more and more beautiful stuff. So, we're gonna go see what's more beautiful than the more beautiful place.
Yeah.
You know what I would
This
love
is very
to do?
beautiful.
Oh.
Tell me, what do you want to do?
I would love to get on one of those bamboo kayaks
Uh-huh.
and just paddle around.
Ah.
That sounds surreal.
Ra có cả gà cả vịt à? Thế nó gọi trước một tiếng là có vịt nhổ kiểu ngay.
So right now we are on a little boat tour. You can see we're heading up the river, and we've got a little boat of 5 of us. These are our tour guides for the day.
Local guy.
Yeah. Find them at Lan Homestay. That's where you find them. I don't know where to find him. We just found him, but he's great. And so what's cool about the river that we're on is it's actually from China. So Banzak Waterfall, which is the biggest waterfall in Southeast Asia, actually divides China and Vietnam. And so I believe, I'm not sure, but I believe this is the same river that Banzak resides on. So if we kept going up, 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 or down, 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 I guess, as the waterfall is down, we might go flying off of Banzak Waterfall. I don't want to, and I don't think we will. But this is a river that's coming from China. I can't say I had a lot of expectations in my life that I would be on rivers from China, nor did I really think I would be on rivers in Vietnam. But anyways, here we are. I love the water here. It's very, very green. Let's see, you can see it. And the water temperature
Thuyền này là rất chủ yếu là bao nhiêu người chủ nhật?
It is lovely. Yeah. Oh, let's get the better angle back. There we go.
Người ạ.
So,
Người mấy ông to
yeah,
này
and
được
we've
không?
been really fortunate. The weather is starting to
Chú
cool
ạ.
down in Vietnam.
Cháu làm là
The
chỉ
way
có
it
khách
works
Tây thôi
in
chú ạ.
the fall
Nên là mấy
is
ông
they
to
get
lắm.
2 big rainstorms, and then fall begins. So it's been, you know, with humidity in the hundreds, which really sucks. I don't like the hot weather. But now we've gotten through that, and we get to enjoy the nice 80 degrees, 75 degree weather, which is really marvelous for boating like this. And even you can see the sky is starting to give us a little bit of colors. So yeah, we're gonna keep on rolling and get into the beauty.
To bằng này cả.
So one of the things that I've come across a lot of times here in Vietnam, which you probably wouldn't run into as much in the United States, is that when you try to tip people, they don't really accept it. Right? So I tried to give this guy it's 500,000 dong, which is the equivalent of about 22 American dollars. He took 4 of us around for about 30 minutes on his boat. It also just happens to be the currency that I have. I didn't have any smaller bills, but I wanted to give it to him. I appreciated it. It seemed like it took him a lot of effort to go and pull the boat together and stuff. So as a sign of, gratitude, I wanted to give it to him, but he won't accept it. So now he's gonna go back to his house, which isn't very close, and he's gonna get the change so he can give it back to me. And this is 3rd, 4th, 5th, I don't know how many times it's happened to me, where I've tried to give someone more money and they just haven't taken it. So, to me, I don't want to say frustrating, but I would love to see someone take the money, in part because I recognize that I need it less than they do. But for them, it's a sign of respect to not take anything more than what they believe they've earned. So they take the money that you've given them, that they've charged you, and if you give them more, they turn it away and they make sure to get the change. So I think it's a really cool thing. I think it says a lot of good things about the levels of respect they have for one another. But it just makes it hard to try and help someone out. So it goes. I like the culture here though. It's very, very nice. So I'm gonna go get the change.